Okay guys, here we are. In this video, I just want to show you really quick how to navigate through our YouTube channel, okay? That way you guys can see all of our videos, because a lot of people don't know that we have over 600 videos. And I'm just going to show you really quick how you can do that. So you just come up here to search. This is how you find our channel, okay? John the Diesel Man. It should come up. There it is. John the Diesel Man, okay? Now once you get here, click here. Once you go here, click on the videos tab. That's going to give you our videos, okay? So now you can see all of our videos, okay? Tons and tons and tons and tons and tons. It keeps going and going and going, okay? That's how you go through our YouTube channel here. And then make sure you subscribe right here, okay? Please check out our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. We do it for you. We love you. Keep your turbos. Boo.